We're at the Goodwill. Haven't been here for a while in Kingsport, Goodwill. Simple sales for good profit. And we'll see if there's anything good at the Goodwill. We got a cart. Hi. Okay, which way do we go? All the aisles are full. Hallmark, Seasons Treating Snowmen. Probably needs a battery. It's not playing. This has potential. It's $3.99. And I can't open the battery compartment, but I assume it's empty because it has its original tag. So that's going home with us. Just found another Hallmark. Snow What Fun Sledders. New tag. $3.99. I sold something similar before, and eBay sold comps showed them going for $29 to $31. So it turned out I need to leave these guys behind. I was all set to buy these. I was excited about buying these, and Mark insisted that I check the battery compartment. I didn't want to. I said they're new. They have tags. Well, he was right. He opened up the battery compartment, and sure enough, there were old batteries and lots of corrosion, so we didn't buy them. And you know what? They wouldn't discount them. They didn't completely pull them from the floor. They just put them on another shelf. Looking at this Creative Station, it is kind of high, $6.99, but it is new, so I think I'll pick this up. We're checking out another one of these, I think it's called Xyron, $4.99 cartridges. I'd say 50 foot. She said it was 9-inch. That's what I'm looking for. I'd say it's new. Okay, yeah, we'll get that. $4.99. And eBay sold comp showed one sold for $34.99, although it was free shipping. We listed the two-sided 9-inch for $24.95 and the 40-foot Xyron 900 for $24.95. My takeaway on this is to make sure it's new and sealed. Otherwise, how would you ever know if it has the correct amount of feet that it says it has on the box? Mark just found this Walt Disney Showcase Jim Shore by Unesco Mickey Mouse ornament. And it was new, right, Mark? It was new in box.
It looks like it's still in the...
Okay, yeah, I'd like to have it. Yeah, let's get it. So what could go wrong, right? It's the original box, the original packaging inside. Well, something did go wrong, because that just seemed to be the day we were having. Look here. The tip of his hat was broken off. We brought this home. We put it on the table. We didn't process it until weeks later. And we just lost money, basically, because we didn't check it well enough at the store. Sure, I listed it for $24.95, but I really expected to sell somewhere between $15 and $20, if it sells at all. Don't make our mistake. Check everything. But there's more. Keep watching. We just walked into Goodwill, and I found these boxes here. Colonial Village. These are all Lefton. Looks like they're all $3.99 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to get all 6 of them. We may have bought 6, but we only listed 5. We returned 1 to Goodwill. This is what I want you to look for if you're going to buy Village pieces to resell, whether they're Lefton or any brand. First of all, check your sold comps. Does it have any value to make it worthwhile to pack and ship? Inspect it closely. Is it broken? Is it missing any pieces? Does it have its original certificate? You know, some people care about that. If it's supposed to have an electric cord and bulb, does it? And if it has it, does the bulb work? Obviously, one of them was missing something because it got returned. I'm going to pass on this because they're more active than sold. Did you catch what I said? They were more active on eBay than sold, meaning it was going to be a slow sale. But I found something else from Cracker Barrel that was selling much faster. But I might get these little plates. They're Cracker Barrel, $3.99. These will be a lot easier to ship too, but too many. I paid $3.99 for the 4 oval plates, and they sold for $30 plus shipping. This is just laying on its side right here. In fact, there are 3 of them. Burley Ironstones, Staffordshire, England. These are little wall decor molds. Vintage kitchen molds. What's the keyword? Farmhouse. eBay sold comps look promising. One had sold from 24 to 29, and another that I had in my collection for $39.99. It was only $3.99 for all 3, and they sold for full asking price of $59.99 plus shipping. Love that. And the takeaway on this is to be willing to take the time and look up things that you've never seen or sold before. I found a grab bag of ornaments at the Goodwill for $4.99. I didn't get it videoed in the store, but I'll show you here what I have. First of all, they are a Victorian style, which I think is absolutely beautiful. I've sold plenty of Victorian style ornaments in my reselling career. And these have the original sticker on them of $9.99 each. I didn't inspect them in the store. Probably should have, because they're not perfect. A few of them are missing some pearls. However, these are Kurt Adler, and I feel confident they will sell. Maybe not for my starting price of $39.95, but I still think they'll sell for a decent price. I'll have to keep you posted on that one. Might have found something here for $3.99. It's a ball jar lamp. You just have to empty out the bear and potpourri. It's not listed yet, but I paid $3.99. It is empty now and washed out, and I think I'll list it for $39.95 with make offer. Check out this little kitty cat. It's brass. $2.99. Something about Passport, Home Goods. I might pick that up. Cute. Oop, that fell out of a game. I gotta go put that back. I listed the brass kitten for $29.95 plus shipping. I would expect it would sell somewhere around $20. Some candle holders complete with wax. Connecticut House pewter. I have to check those out. I see scratches, so I'm not sure. I found a few sold comps on eBay, but these are in very poor condition. But I learned something new because I'd never heard of Connecticut House of Pewter before. Have you? So I found this pretty bowl, grabbed it up, $4.99, and it looks really beautiful. It looks like it's cut to clear, but it's not. And you want to show us why, Mark?
I don't know if I can find them again.
There it is. Do you see that extra little color there? That was one sign, and then you put your hand behind it. You put your finger behind it, and then...
right there, there's a...
Oh, I see the scratch, yeah. The scratch right here. My awful fingernails.
And here.
It is not cut to clear. It is just a coated or surface flash color. It is pressed glass. You can see the seam here. And you know what? It looks beautiful, but I don't think it's really very valuable. I see a little refraction, so it might be, I can see where it is crystal, but still, it might be worth 20, 25 at the max. I don't know. How much did they want?
5.
Let's put it back, mainly because it's flash. This is what I say. If it's flash, put it back. Okay, lots of cuties here, but those of you who do plush, am I missing anything? Is there something here that I should be getting? Let me know in the comments. Because to me, a lot of them look like toys you would get out of the little machines the grabber machines. Yeah. Store quieted down right now. It was crazy when we first came in. Is the Goodwill in Bristol, Tennessee any better? Call me crazy, but I see an owl on the back of this trailer. Am I the only one that sees an owl? Do you see an owl? Looking at the white dishes, and this is a cordon bleu bowl, but I think it could be used as a deep planter as well. It has a little scuffing on it. I have to see if that will come off. Yeah, that comes off. That's a maybe. What is this in a tube? Is it a poster?
I don't think so. It's a pepper mill.
That's a pepper mill? I see it's $3.99. Oh, wow. That's fancy. How big that is. That's beautiful wood. And
ad hoc.
okay. So grinder at the end. It's Oh, squeaky.
You can adjust the tension and the size of the grind, and it pulls off to open. It's unused.
Any idea what they're going for? They're asking what, $3.99?
I haven't found the exact item.
Okay, well, let me know.
Okay.
We listed the Ad Hoc Goliath Medium Pepper Mill for $69.99 plus shipping with make offer. Did you find something?
Maybe.
Maybe. What is that? Oh, I know what that is. Do you know what that is?
Well, it's Baker's Edge.
So it's a baking pan, but I know what it is. I think I know what it is.
It's cast aluminum.
Is it heavy? Oh my gosh, it's pretty heavy for a pan. What's your thoughts?
You make squiggly cakes in it.
Squiggly cakes. Maybe. Are you going to look it up?
Maybe.
Okay, let me know. What do you have?
These are active listings.
These are pre-owned for $39.90. These are active, so we're sold then?
There's 9 active. Here's a pre-owned.
Pre-owned 43. Okay, let's get it. This Baker's Edge brownie pan or meatloaf pan will be listed for $39.95 plus shipping. We just found these cameras, Canon 299. It's a Zoom Supreme. It says on the top, Sure Shot Supreme. And then Mark has one too. It's a Canon Sure Shot 105 Zoom. And we checked them out on eBay. $2.99 each. I think we'll take a chance. And this one actually has film in it, which is kind of funny. Let's give them a try. eBay comps showed the Canon Sure Shot sold for $78 plus shipping from Australia, and a Canon Sure Shot Supreme sold for $163 from the UK. So here's some of my takeaway tips from selling cameras. Number 1, check your comps. I tell you what, some cameras sell for good prices and some sell for next to nothing. So always check your comps. Number 2, does it have its original case? And number 3, does it work? We actually invested in batteries to test these. And number 4, which should be number 1 as well, is it clean? How bad is it? How scratched is it? Is it something that you would want to buy and use? We listed the Canon Sure Shot 105 Zoom for $69.99 plus shipping. And we listed the Canon Auto Boy for $149 and it sold for $100 plus shipping. I hope you found this Goodwill Shop and Haul video helpful. Thanks for watching everyone, and like and subscribe, and Mark and I will see you soon.